Hi, hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Today is so special day for me because there is a new update in Visual Studio, as you can see in the our screen, and I will show you how to use that update in a very effective way. As you know already, Copilot from Microsoft, but today in Visual Studio Code they are integrating the Copilot with Visual Studio Code. As you can see here, there is a new icon called Open Chat. Control plus Alt plus I. So simply clicking on that icon, it's open to the Copilot. It's just like ChatGPT. It's a resembles ChatGPT. Simply click on copy the code and paste it in Copilot and ask Copilot explain the code line by line, then enter line by line, then enter. It will explain. And what is the main feature of this Copilot is it is uh, connected with your GitHub account. My account is quotation C, as you can see here, and as you can see on bottom side, it will explain the code line by line. No need to copy the code and go to the another tab and paste it in the chat GPT or any other um, AI tools. Instead of using that thing, simply you are updating the Copilot means it will show within your Visual Studio Code. It's very helpful for the developers like me and you guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and thank you. And last, for more tech videos, subscribe this channel. Thank you everyone.